What's the meaning of acquiesce? Acquiesce. 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 The term acquiesce refers to the act of accepting or agreeing to something without any resistance or objection. It means giving in to a situation or request without protest, even though you may not agree with it. The result of acquiescing is usually submission or compliance. When one acquiesces, they may do so reluctantly and under duress or because they believe it is the right thing to do. Acquiescence can be positive in certain situations where compromise is essential, but it can also be negative if it leads to an individual being taken advantage of or losing their own agency.